Now anyone can sew like a pro with a portable sewing machine that fits in the palm of your hand. Introducing Magic Stitch from JML. It's so fast and easy. Just thread the needle with the included needle threading assist tool and you're ready to start sewing. Now you can instantly fix, attach or sew anything from fine fabrics to denim. Oh no, this pocket will lose your money. How frustrating. Magic Stitch to the rescue. Now you can repair pockets while you're still wearing them. Problem solved in just a few stitches.
Magic Stitch is like having a professional sewing machine in my pocket. It's so easy and portable. I take it with me wherever I go.
Magic Stitch is battery operated, so you can use it anywhere, anytime. If you love to make crafts, you're going to love the convenience of Magic Stitch. Fix broken straps in a snap. Repair clothing and garments or design curtains right on the rod. Anytime, anywhere. It has the precision of a small machine to repair delicate fabrics and the power of a big machine to repair tough fabrics like denim. Magic Stitch is lightweight and portable, so you can take it to work or on vacation. And it comes complete with 3 mini spools of thread. Attach the included extension spindle and you can use any of the larger spools in any color you want. Whether you're just a beginner, a master seamstress, or just need something handy for those quick fixes, Magic Stitch is the perfect household tool for you. Repair your clothes with ease, or make custom gifts for loved ones with the Magic Stitch from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.